Okay, y'all. This is my 10th time trying to record this stinking gosh dang intro. But it's okay, because I'm a that plant, and I'm gonna make some great content, okay? What am I here to talk about today? I'm here to talk about how my channel is, it's dying, folks. I'm gonna just be 100% real with y'all. It's dying. But you wanna know why it's dying? It's dying because I'm not interesting, okay? It's dying because I'm not wealthy. It's dying because I'm brown. Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. It's getting a little serious now. But, all except that last one. But it's okay. And I got a boring life, but it's okay because I'm slowly making my life interesting, you know? And I got this new S9, so I can actually record good video. But, what today's video is about is slightly more interesting because you want to know why? You want to know why it's slightly more interesting? We got Katie Martin's back in this, okay, Katie? You're gonna be in this video like 2 minutes of you, like a minute 30 or something, you know, and she, oh my gosh, man, just watch the video, you'll see her. And I also went to the Mall of America in downtown Minneapolis, so you know, you're gonna see some of that. I'm gonna hit you with a couple little interesting clips, you know, and yeah, it's not gonna be a super long video. I'm shooting for 5-6 minutes, man. I've been trying to record this minute 32-minute intro for like an hour now, okay? I haven't even edited it. I downloaded music to put over this because, you know, it's gonna be a banger, you know, and you can record all you want, but like you gotta have the music to go with it, you know. The music gets people hype. It's like Lil Pump, okay? No one's listening to what he's saying, they're listening to the beat. That's the same logic you need to use when you're making a vlog, okay? So yeah, I'm out here doing my thing. Hopefully you're doing your thing, because if you're not, I'm gonna find you, okay? Because you better be staying positive. But yeah, this concludes the intro part. Hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, well, you can go climb the tree over there and jump off. No, I'm just kidding. That's not positive at all. But if you didn't actually enjoy it, well, just dislike it, okay? Just comment and say I hated it, okay? I'd rather you be 100% honest than to lie to yourself, okay, people? Because I need you to stay positive. I need you to be true, okay? It's been real, my people. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And yeah, Darshan out. Enjoy the video. We're gonna start with Katie and then go to the Mall of America or downtown Minneapolis. You'll see it when you see it, okay, people? Darshan out. Stay positive. And I'm going. Oh, and I can't forget, it was Ellie Martin's birthday, May 4th, the day after he came back. Okay, shout out Ellie. That's Katie's sister, but you know. Katie's better. Nah, I'm just kidding, Ellie. 7:29 past your birthday. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, actually, yeah, that worked perfectly because it's 7 hours and 29 minutes. I'm saying, yeah, you see what I did there? But happy birthday, okay?
Thank you.
How's it feel to be, what, 16 now?
It doesn't feel any different because Ellie doesn't have her permit, so she can't get her license. Yeah, you look like a potato on there, so I was talking to you.
That's a pretty good potato then.
Ellie's gonna get her permit though. I was told this morning that I was the favorite child because I'm nice.
Ooh.
Because
Your response?
She needs to get her permit because she needs it for her job. So I'm nice.
What's your job?
Lifeguard.
Oh, you need a permit to be a lifeguard?
No, but I wouldn't be able to drive there.
Oh.
She would get like a legal ID. But she's complaining. She needs to get her permit anyway, so why not just get
Yeah,
it?
why not? But yeah, day after, of course. I'm so tired. I got like 2 hours of sleep at most. At most, I'm about to pass out.
I worked a shift last night.
Dang, you always work like when I can't show up. I just want to like show up and bug you one day. I gotta do that. Make a whole. That's when I can make a dedicated video.
Leaving out where I worked.
Yeah.
Do it again. Because I don't want any strange visitors.
I'll bleep it all
Yeah,
out.
Darshan's respectful.
I'm a good person, okay?
Yeah,
I got you. Everything's confidential, okay?
319.
Is that actually your phone?
No. That is your phone number. Shut
Okay,
up.
well.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Man, you gotta eat both the limes right now, and the lemon. You gotta eat the lemon too. Hey, oh, thank you. You're so kind. I've never had octopus before. This is about to be. Ooh, oh my god. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Look at this dude. Oh, okay. Hey man, I'm about to give me a taste test video of this.
Oh, I got it. Hold up, I got it. Hold up,
Hey man, hey, you can't knock it till you try it, I guess. So we out here.
good. I got you. The pussy or the lime. The octopus. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you know. Yeah, we ain't eating no octopus, bro. Why y'all eating oswald?
It's so different. Like it's.
What do you give it? 5 out of 10.
It feels weird in my mouth. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
But you know, I'm gonna swallow it.
I'm not eating no oswald.
Oh,
You spit that some out, bro. Why you spit so much?
it's so hard to swallow. I can't do it.
No, you got to. Bro.
You have to, don't spit out.
Do not do this.
What's that green stuff?
You make that. He left it on his shirt.
That was rough. That was rough.
You left it on your shirt. That's octopus. Yeah, you trifling, bro. Shitty shit. This is not sweet at all. You had green
Bro, is you recording me or is you looking at yourself?
Yeah, keep recording them. Look, I want to keep recording them. Look.
It's not